Another day, another story.
Welcome, seekers of success. Today, we embark on a journey that will change your life. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Get ready to embrace the secrets of success and create the life you've always dreamed of. Success isn't a destination, it's a mindset. It's about waking up every morning with a burning desire to become the best version of yourself. Are you ready to ignite that fire within you? Step 1. Believe in yourself. The first key to success is having unwavering faith in your abilities. Remember, you are capable of achieving greatness. Embrace your unique talents and trust in your potential. Step 2. Set clear goals. Define your vision and break it down into actionable steps. Your goals will serve as the roadmap to your success, guiding you towards your dreams with unwavering focus. Step 3. Embrace challenges. Success rarely comes without obstacles. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Remember, the greatest triumphs are born from the moments when you push past your limits. Step 4. Never stop learning. Education is a lifelong journey. Seek knowledge, both formal and informal, and develop a thirst for constant improvement. Expand your horizons, and the world will open doors for you. Step 5. Give back. True success is not only measured by personal achievements but also by the positive impact we have on others. Use your success as a platform to inspire and uplift those around you. Step 6. Persevere. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. It requires dedication, persistence, and the ability to rise after every fall. Stay focused, keep going, and let nothing stand in your way. Step 7. Celebrate milestones. As you progress on your journey, take time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. Each milestone reached is a testament to your determination and hard work. Remember, success is not a distant dream. It's a choice you make every day. The power to shape your destiny lies within you. So, go out there and seize it. You have what it takes to be successful in life. Believe, persevere, and watch as the world becomes your canvas. Now, go out there and make your mark. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of success and create a world where dreams come true.
Thanks for watching.